All right, fifth graders, today we are going to be learning about the range. So remember from our vocab that the range is the difference between the highest and the lowest number. So we can figure that out by the maximum minus the minimum. So the maximum is the highest data point and the minimum is the lowest. So the maximum is the biggest and the minimum is the smallest. So if I gave you a data set that looked like this, we'll have 16, 24, 8, 12, and 19. For some of us, it might be really helpful if we write this out from least to greatest, kind of like we did with the median. So we'd have 8, 12, 16, 19, and 24. So my maximum is going to be 24. My minimum is going to be 8. So I need to figure out what the maximum minus the minimum is. So I'm going to do 24 minus 8. I can't do 4 minus 8, so I need to borrow a 10 from here. So I'll get 14 minus 8, I get 6. 1 minus 0, I get 1. So my range for this data set is 16. Let's try another one with some decimals. Let's say I give you 3 1/10, 4 6/10, 1 2/10, and 6 7/10. If we write it out from least to greatest, from our minimum to our maximum, this would be our order. So my maximum is 6 7/10 and my minimum is 1 2/10. So I need to subtract 1 2/10 from 6 7/10, leaving me with 5 5/10. So my range for this data set is 5 5/10.